Hey everybody, welcome back to the barn. I want to share something with you that I have recently done. I have recently transitioned my rabbits from the type of feed that I've been using for the last 2 years to something that a lot of people already use, but I wasn't able to access it locally. It was going to be an hour-and-a-half trip in either one direction or the other in order to pick up this food. What is it? Well, let me show you. That is the food from Tucker Milling. Yeah. It is crazy all the benefits that this is supposed to have. I've been having a lot of problems with bloat, GI issues, and to be honest with you, I've lost more than one rabbit. I even sent one to have necropsied. I mean, I was at my wit's end. And a store local to me started carrying this. This is what I wanted to switch to, but I knew with it being that far away, I may have a problem being able to get it. And you cannot transition rabbits back and forth, switch, and everything, okay? Let me show you what was left in the bottom of this bag. If anybody has rabbits and they are familiar with all the dust in a bag of rabbit food, guys, you're going to be amazed at this because I know I am. Right there in the corner. And you can still see the rest of the food in here. But that is absolutely insane. Just how little dust is in that food. And it tells all about it on here. But look, this is the ingredient level. Okay, there's no byproducts listed in here. And on the other feed that I was using, byproducts was the first ingredient. So there's no wonder people's rabbits have issues when we use lower quality feed, because it certainly has a whole lot better ingredients in there. Just wanted to let you know what I was doing. Thanks for watching, guys, and best luck with your rabbits. We'll see you on the next video.